This is a video of the front wall fireplace ceiling that is leaking. And up at the top, from the location that I'm showing, I'm having drips of water come right through here. And the water is running down the outside of the wall to the mantle, and the mantle has quite a bit of puddling right along the base. That's a considerable amount of water that is coming in, and it appears to be all along the area where the wall is going above the ceiling. There used to be leaks here, but that seems to be corrected, and there were leaks down this wall, a little residual discoloration, but now the major area of leaking is fairly significant and right down here. And today, which is June the 6th, 2023, we had about 1.5 inches of rain during the day from midnight to the time right now. And this is what has resulted with, down at the base, the puddling of water having run down the wall and right in here. And there's no other area as you follow the ceiling beyond this point all the way over to the end that has any water penetration. So we've pinned it down, but we can't seem to be able to seal it from up above, and it looks like we need to readdress this problem.